Veteran politician and NCP SP chief Sharad Pawar, reacting to the violent protest staged by parents, said that the state is looking for a change. He highlighted what people can do when they are at unease. Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me for more on this. Remember, she was one of our colleagues reporting from Ground Zero when the protests did turn violent. Shweta, good morning. As far as this is concerned, and as you'll help us draw perspective as far as where the investigation stands, this is, of course, a horrific incident that we continue to track. Having said that, politics being played out over the same, essentially, one were to look at this incident, there would be more questions about accountability so that we don't see such cases happening.
Indeed, it is one of the most appalling cases that Maharashtra has ever witnessed. And despite all the evidences, reports, we are seeing that the kind of delay, number one, to file an FIR, then, of course, the trial which has to proceed. Still, the accused is in police custody. Now, when he will be granted judicial custody, the further action would be taking place. Between this, the political colors that has been added. We remember since 2 days, even the opposition has been hitting out at Mahayuti government, stating that this entire state is not anymore safe for women around. And yesterday, not only Sushma Andhare, then Jitendra Awad, many more UBT faction leaders, NCP leaders were hitting the streets of Badlapur. They were protesting, marching on the streets of Badlapur. Apart from this, we also understand that, however, CM, DCM both have assured that capital punishment would be given to the accused, but that's not really something what the parents and the protesters large in number they want. They want that severe punishment that should set an example. Moreover, the school is also coming into a highlighting point whether the connection of any political party has been linked to this or not. Again, why there was a delay by police to take action, why there was no FIR being registered at the first spot. So these are the questions still being answered. Between this, what we also see significantly where the Bombay High Court has taken the cognizance of the matter, calling it as suo motu cognizance by the court on its own, and the matter has been kept high on board around 10:30 a.m. today. Remember, the matter
Shweta,
will be heard.
As you get us those details, I'd have to interject you there. Thank you very much for quickly drawing perspective as to where things stand at the moment. We're